Hi guys. Okay, now we're set up with everything we need to share our page, and we're connected to from the landing page to the thank you page. We want to set up our email series. Okay, so as before, if we go into email marketing and list manager. Okay, so here we are. We say landing page, activate this list. Okay, but first let's set up our welcome email. Okay, press here. So let me see. So here we are. Just a quick introduction, sharing the link as well back to your landing page. Okay, so this is going to be our headline. Copy. So copy this, paste. Let's delete this. And here we go, just copy this. I've just written this down for easiness for myself. Okay, copy here. So on this editor, we'll need to press Control V to copy. So here we go. You can add whatever you like, but this is just basically what I am doing. Thank you for subscribing to my list. To learn more about WeShare Abundance, click on the link below to get yourself fully set up. Yours sincerely, Peter Kingston. So just do that and then save changes. Okay, and it'll come up. Basically the email you've just written down, just check it over, make sure it's okay. Okay, and that's how you add your welcome email to your list manager. Okay, so this will be an automated email series. So basically people enter the details on your landing page, and first you get your welcome email off them, but you can also set up corresponding emails to come up like this: the first day, the second day, the third day, and so on. So let me see for this, but the only thing for this is you do need to be a pro member. So you can use the share code. So here, let me see. It's my one here. So basically, I've just set up 3 emails, which will go out the first, second, and third day. Okay, so day 1, subject, hey, first name, did you get set up with WeShare Abundance? Okay, and I've just written basically an email that will go to their inbox that they can go through, and again the join link here. Okay, so you, as a free member, you can set up and use this, but you will have to send them a day at a time. They won't just automatically send, if you know what I mean. Okay, so anyway, if you are a pro member, here's a share code. I'm gonna copy this, let me add it in my notes here. share code. Okay, so what I shall do then is at the end of this video I'll leave the share code should you wish to use it to activate, and what that will do, it will activate what I've written here: the first day, the second day. I mean, you can write these out yourself. Okay, and then the third day. But I mean, this is what I've just written to basically to help anyone who's joined, and they can see where they're going. So there are a couple of videos that members should watch, as we keep getting asked about how that is explained in the Facebook group. Okay, so here we go, some links, some handy links that I like to share out with people. So this one here, make sure you get credit for reading messages. Learn how to use Waves. This is the Waves exchange that you'll need to be using. And this one here, how to fund your account wallet from Waves exchange. Okay, then again, my join link, sign up for Waves, which is not affiliated, that is just the Waves exchange. And this is my reach out to me on Facebook. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. My name's Peter Kingston, and I'll see you in the next video.